This next diagnostic tool was originally included in the Windows 7 beta so users could track issues and then report them back to the Microsoft development team. It's called the Problem Steps Recorder, and it combines screen captures with mouse tracking to record your actions. And even though we're not using the beta, we can still launch this program from the Start menu by clicking the Start button and typing PSR. You'll see under Programs the Problem Steps Recorder program. You can click it or simply press Enter on your keyboard, which launches the program. Now you have buttons to start recording, stop recording, and you can even add comments along the way. And the whole time that you're recording, it's being tracked over here on the right-hand side so you know exactly how long you are recording your steps. So when you're ready, simply click the Start Record button. Now let's say you wanted to record creating a new folder and you're having issues with naming that folder. The first thing you might see if you're logged in as the administrator or if you have windows that are open as an administrator, a warning that you'll have to run the Problem Steps Recorder as an administrator if you're going to make use of any of those windows. That's not the case here, so I can simply click OK, and I'm now recording. You can see it up here, recording now. It's also flashing on my taskbar. So let's right-click on the desktop. That would be the first step. Then we'll go down to New and select Folder. Now let's say we want to name this with a slash. Let's say it's going to be called My Slash. And as soon as you hit the slash, of course, you see this balloon popping up saying you can't use that character. So you'll leave space, maybe an underscore, type in the word stuff, and it would be nice to have an asterisk at the end. You type in the asterisk and you see the same balloon. Okay, so I can't use that. I'll have to press Enter to save my new folder called My Stuff, but it doesn't look exactly the way I want it. So maybe I'll add a comment. And this little window opens up. We can highlight the problem first by selecting it, clicking and dragging. And now in this window, we'll type in the issue we're having. Can't use the slash or the asterisk. Need to come up with an alternative. And when you click OK, your comment's recorded. You continue recording now, and you can see it's being timed along the way. When you're done, you just click Stop Record. And of course, you can pause at any time as well. But if you're actually done, click Stop Record. Alt and the letter O is a shortcut. And now you're going to be saving your file to a location of your choice as a MIME HTML file. So you'll be able to open it up in a browser. Notice it's also being saved in a zip format, so it's going to be compressed. So I'm going to leave it on my desktop with the desktop selected. I'm just going to type in New Folder Steps, like so, and click Save. So there it is. It's on my desktop. It's called New Folder Steps. I can double click this now to see the contents, which is my MHTML document. And if I double click this, it's going to launch my default browser. So your browser opens up, and it's going to show you at the very top your recorded steps. And as you scroll down, you're going to see each step with a screenshot. You're also going to see the date and the time that it was recorded. And you can see exactly what you did in text as well. The user right-clicked the desktop. And then you can see the menu that pops up. As you continue scrolling down, you see the time code. There's where the comment was added. And then down below, you'll see under additional details a full text version of what was going on with each of the steps. When you're done viewing it, simply close up your browser. I'm going to close up my folder as well. And when you're done with the Problem Steps Recorder, click the Close button to close it up as well. So it's a great tool for tracking issues when you need technical support, but also think about this. It can be very useful for creating tutorials.